Are you wondering how to indent in Google Docs? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do, and the good news is it is very, very easy. So all you need to do is select all of the text that you want to indent. So let's start with this line here, and then on the formatting ribbon at the top we are looking for this icon here. It says increase indent. Now you'll notice that there's also a shortcut that you can use to do this, and that is the control and the kind of this icon here on your keyboard. So you could press control and this button at the same time. I personally like to use this at the top. I find it much easier. So select the text and then you press it, and you'll notice that that indents the text. Now you can press this multiple times, so that's a second time, a third time, a fourth time, a fifth time, and of course that gives you the indenting that you need. If you want to go back and decrease the indent, you simply press the button next to it. And what you can do with this is, let's say we want to indent this once, we could then indent this twice. So you can set up some staggered text if you wanted to. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please hit the like button. That tells me I should continue recording videos like this. Any questions, comments, feedback or suggestions for future videos, drop them down below too. I'll get back to you and I'll also plan my schedule accordingly. So with all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.